Delta 1328, be advised similar call sign on frequency is Southwest 3828, cross runway 31 center and runway 31 left. Taxi via Yankee to 4 right.
Clear to 31 center and 31 left, Yankee to 4 right, Delta 1328, will be aware.
Southwest 3828, be advised similar call sign on frequency is Delta 1328. And once you approach 31 right, as you're crossing it, you can switch over to power. Have a good day.
All right, we'll be listening up for that, and we'll switch over to tower to approach 31 right, Southwest 320.
1328 Midway Tower, traffic holding position on the cross runway. Traffic on a 4-mile funnel lands a parallel, and traffic here runway 10 mile funnel, 4 right, line of point.
4 right, 1328.
1328 Midway Tower, runway 31 center, line up and wait. Don't plan on stopping.
31 center, line of point, Southwest 3828.
Right, traffic holding position on the cross runway. Traffic on a 3-mile funnel for the cross runway. No delay, please. Turn left heading 250, runway 31 center. Cleared for takeoff. The wind 0609er. Two call 1 South 3828, verify no delay, left to 250, 31 center, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff 31 center, no delay, heading 250, Southwest 3828.
Stop.
1328, reporting. Stopping.
Make the right turn onto taxiway Delta. Right turn to Delta, hold short runway 4 right.
Hold short 4 right, Southwest 3828.
Keep answering for each other. It's Southwest 3828 and Delta 1328. Southwest 3828, make the right turn onto Golf, back taxi runway 31 center.
Right turn on Golf, back taxi 31 center, where I need a second, you got the taxiway.
No worries.